Let us listen to the Holy Word of God. Proverbs chapter 3, verses 5 to 8. But here to tell you, beloved, to think table to trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not rely on your own insight. It is long song some little parting ya number in all your ways acknowledge him and we will make straight your paths. Ikong song some ikong ketua kong hose lam do not be wise in your own eyes. Fear the Lord and turn away from evil. Mani ngayon tifing sula na patuchila sa sandro. It will be a healing for your face and a refreshment for your body. Ilai tashi sena aliyanga iru atanchi